Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Search Console settings for indexing fixes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To access your Google Search Console, sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, select the website property you wish to update from the dashboard. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Crawl section. Under the Crawl section, click on Crawl Settings. Review the current settings to ensure they align with your indexing preferences. If needed, adjust the crawl rate settings by choosing between Let Google Decide or setting a specific rate. After adjusting the crawl rate, scroll down to the User-Declared Canonical setting. Make sure your preferred version of the URL is set correctly for proper indexing. Next, head back to the main dashboard. Click on Coverage under the Index section to view indexing status. Examine any errors listed that may be affecting your site's indexing. To resolve specific errors, click on each error type for more details. Follow the prompts to fix any identified issues. Once fixes are implemented, return to the coverage report. Click Validate Fix for each error after addressing them. Check back periodically to see if the validation process passes. Finally, monitor your indexing status over the following days to ensure all changes are effective. Regularly reviewing your settings helps maintain optimal indexing for your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.